Okay, short video. Now, let's look at the bottom two examples that I have. Now, this is not the only day that we're going to do this. So this is just kind of us getting into word problems. And I know that a lot of us don't like word problems, including myself. I still struggle with them, okay? I'm not even trying to say that to make you feel better. I still struggle with them too, you know? And I'm telling you, I don't know why, but they try and trick us all the time. So all we can do is just keep working at them and trying to do the best that we can to not let them trick us up. And the only way to do that is to keep working on word problems, because usually that's how they trick us the most. I don't know why they want to. That's just what they do. So I'm going to do everything I can to help you not get tricked. So let's look at the first one, the sum of twice a number and 10. Now, we didn't put and in one of our addition, subtraction, multiplication, division sections. So, if you would like to go back, you are more than welcome to, because it's always good to add. Did you get it? It's always good to add. And means add. So I'm just going to quickly scroll up, and even though this is my blank copy again, you can always hit or add and to it. Like I said, if you give me extra as a comment, bonus points. The sum of twice a number and 10. So I want you to look at your notes that you took, because we did say something about the sum and then twice a number, and now we just talked about and 10. So here's the tricky part, and this is where it links back to Tuesday's class. A number. They don't tell us what the number is, and when we don't know what a number is, what do we use to represent that? We use a variable. Now, you could pick any letter under the sun if they don't tell you. Now, I particularly just like to use X, because X is pretty much the variable that they almost always ask us to solve for. So I like you to practice using X. So the sum of twice a number. So that means the sum of, right? We said the sum of, so we've got parentheses. The sum of twice a number, so twice means 2 twice. A number means our variable that's going to touch that twice, which means multiplication. Remember, when a number touches a variable, when they're touching, they're multiplying. That's why if we have to separate them, we have to divide. So I'm going to say 2x. 2 is touching x. 2 is x coefficient, x is the variable's coefficient. And then it says and 10. So that means and 10. I know, but that's what it is. That's the sum of twice a number and 10. That's it. I don't make the rules. I just try and help us learn them. There's just rules of math. I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't, we're going to keep working. Let me know. I know this is not as easy as it would be if we were in the class, and it's never easy in the class either. But just let me know. Reach out. Let me know if this is extremely hard, if you're not understanding. Hopefully you are. Like I said, we're going to keep working at this, okay? Let's try 3 times the difference of a number and 7. So again, the difference. We wrote that somewhere, didn't we? Of. Again, we're talking about those parentheses. So the difference of 3 times, 3 times the difference. So that means, see, I almost got tricked up. 3 times the difference. 3 times the difference. 3 times the difference of a number. 3 times the difference of a number and 7. 3 times the difference. Yeah. Okay. That's how 3 times the difference. So that means 3 times parentheses. So 3 is going to be on the outside. Now we're going to talk about distribution. But when a number is touching parentheses, remember I told you parentheses mean multiplication. So 3 times the difference of a number and 7. So when you see difference, what do we also know that means? The difference of a number and 7. 3 times. I think I'm going to have to do this. 3 times the difference. 3 times the difference of a number and 7. So a number, x, and 7. Yeah. 3 times the difference of a number and 7. That's how tricky it is. Because if you look, we have difference in subtraction and difference in parentheses. 3 times the difference of a number and 7. Because and we know is plus. So a number is x. 7 is 7. So 3 times the difference of a number and 7. Whew. I mean, I worked this out before I even got on the video with you, but I almost second guessed myself. Well, I did second, third, and fourth guess myself. My goodness. See, I'm not lying when I say that I still struggle with it too. Sometimes things can be tricky. Now, I'm only going to give you 1 or 2, maybe 3 to try on your own. So I'm going to give you the word problem, and I'm so sorry, and you're just going to do your best that you can. Okay? Remember, you can do it. I believe in you. Just try. Well, I don't want you to try. I want you to do your best. Okay? We have to put our best foot forward every time. We can't just try. We have to do our best. That's the only way that we're going to get better. If I haven't told you yet, I'm going to tell you now. Math is a sport. And if we don't practice at our best, we're never going to get any better. And we're going to have to keep practicing. We're like NFL quarterbacks or starting pitchers. We're not going to be the best the first time through unless we're geniuses. I'm not. And the only way we're going to get any better is if we continuously practice and we practice at our best. Okay? So let's get better at this sport together, and it's a team sport, and I'm here to work with you and help coach you to be the best mathematician you can be. Okay. I miss you guys. This is hard. I don't like talking to a screen. I wish I could talk to y'all. So send me a video or something, okay? Let me know that y'all are there. Let me know that y'all are doing all right. Most of you answered your questions from yesterday. I'm sorry I had such long videos today. I think I miss you a lot. So I know I miss you a lot. Because remember, I want to know how you are. Do you need anything? And I want you to know you matter to me. Because you do. And I miss you. Okay. Miss D is getting a little sentimental. And I'm going to stop. So, all right. I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.